problem 3e. So we have another new function now. H of x is that original f of x function minus 2. Well, the new equation again would be very easy. Just take that original function, x cubed minus 4x, and subtract 2. And we want to see how the picture changes now. So I'll head back to the y equals, go down to that second line, and I don't need to retype the whole thing. Let me just change the ending here to minus 2. Again, the new graph will come up in red, and I'm sure you're not surprised. It looks like now the blue graph has simply shifted down. That high spot at 3 is now down at 1. The low spot at negative 3 is now down at negative 5. All the points have been shifted down 2 units. So we'll say shifted vertically 2 units down. Number 4, let's practice what we've learned now. So suppose I have some function called p of x. We don't know what the equation is. We simply want to take each of these new functions and write it in terms of p of x. Okay, so letter A, r of x is formed by vertically shifting the p of x function 5 units down. Well, we learned that shifting down is accomplished by simply subtracting that number on the outside of the function, p of x minus 5. S of x, letter B, is formed by vertically shifting the p of x function 8 units up. Well, that's going to be similar. You would simply go plus 8 at the end. T of x, now two things are happening here. It's vertically stretching the p of x function by a factor of 2, and then there is a shift of 4 units up. Well, we learned stretching before. That was accomplished by multiplying the outside of the function by that number. So I would do 2p of x, that would stretch it, and then I would take that and add 4 units to shift it up 4. Number 5, let's do a little bit more investigating. We're back to our original f of x function, the x cubed minus 4x. It is still in the calculator. And our new function now, g of x, is f of x minus 2. Notice the minus 2 is inside the parentheses. It's impacting the x. In other words, I need to go to my f of x function and replace all of the x's with x minus 2's. G of x then would be x minus 2 cubed, replacing that first x with an x minus 2, minus 4 times x minus 2. Now simplifying this would be a lot of work. I'd have to cube out x minus 2, which would involve a lot of FOIL situations. I don't need to do that too. I don't need to simplify. The calculator won't care. I'm really just interested in adding this equation into the calculator and seeing how the picture changes. Okay, so let me go to that y equals area. I'm going to clear this one out. I want x minus 2 cubed and then minus 4 times that x minus 2. Okay, let's see what happens. There's the original. There's the red one. Again, I hope you can see that once again somebody has just picked up the blue graph and moved it. It's an exact copy of it. It looks like this time it's been moved over to the right. Can we tell how many spaces? Well, this spot here used to be at -1. Now it's at +1. That's 2 spaces over to the right. Or look at the x-intercept. This x-intercept used to be at 2. Now it's at 4. 2 spaces to the right. The whole picture has been shifted to the right by 2. So we'll say shifted horizontally now 2 units to the right.